Students, today I will discuss one new chapter, third chapter, coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we will find out the position of a points. So first we will discuss what is the point, what is line, x-axis, y-axis, about that. So first, if you draw a line horizontally and give a point at the middle, and on right side after 1 centimeter if you give a dot and name it 1 2 3 4 5 like that, and on the left side if you give 1 centimeter after that if you give dot and give -1 -2 -3 -4 like that, right side positive, left side negative, and the middle it is origin, and this is called horizontal line. Similarly, if you draw a line vertically and at the middle if you give a dot and O, which is origin, upper side positive, after 1 centimeter 1 2 3 4 5 like that, and downside -1 -2 -3 -4 like that, after 1 centimeter this is vertical line. And if horizontal line and vertical line cuts each other perpendicularly, then a plane is formed, and that plane is called the Cartesian plane or xy plane or coordinate plane. And middle point is origin, right side positive, left side negative, upper side positive, downside negative. And horizontal line is called x-axis, and we named it x dash o x. And vertical line is called y-axis, and we name y o y dash. And they form 4 quadrants. If you moved OX on anti-clockwise direction, then 4 quadrants are formed, and the name of the quadrant are quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. The two coordinate axes, x-axis and y-axis, form the 4 quadrant, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. And the coordinate of the quadrants, if you plot any points on the quadrant, in the first quadrant x and y both values are positive, so positive. One of the example is say 5, 3, x value also positive, y value also positive. In quadrant 2, x value negative, y value positive. So example say -5, 3, x value negative, y value positive. In the second quadrant, x value negative, y value positive. In third quadrant, both negative, left side also negative, downside negative, so negative, so -5, -2, one of the example. And in fourth quadrant, x value positive, y value negative, so one of the example is 5, -3. So you remember the x coordinate is called the abscissa and the y coordinate is called ordinate. You remember x value is called abscissa and y value is called ordinate. And another point you remember, any point on x-axis the ordinate is 0. Ordinate 0 means on the x-axis y value 0. Ordinate means y value. And any point on y-axis the abscissa is 0. Abscissa means x value 0. Next, you come to exercise now 3.2. So write the answer of each of the following question. Question number 1. What is the name of the horizontal line and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So name of the horizontal line is x-axis, already we have discussed, and the vertical line is y-axis. Second question, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? This one also we have discussed. The name of each part of the plane formed by the two axes are quadrant, and the 4 quadrants are 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4 like that. And question number 3, write the name of the point where the two lines intersect. And I have told that name of the point where the two lines intersect is called origin, and coordinate of origin is 0, 0, 0, O 0, 0. Then come to question number 2, and one figure is there, and after that we will find out the answer. In the figure you see the two axes, x-axis and y-axis, intersect each other at O and named like that I have just discussed. 1, 2, 3, 4 right side, left side -1, -2, -3, -4, upper side +1, +2, +3, +4 like that, and downside -1, -3, -4 like that. Now we will find out the question one by one. The first question is the coordinate of B, where is B? B is here. B, when you come to the B, from origin you start, left side first you come, because first always you moved on x-axis, after that y. So left side negative, upper side positive, left side 1 2 3 4 5 up to this, and perpendicularly you go to the position B, and B position is here, you see 2. So B coordinate is -5, 2. So coordinate of B is -5, 2. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is the coordinate of C. Coordinate of C, where is C here? The position of C is here, this one. C, it is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, you know, positive, negative. So first you come to the, on x-axis right side, positive 5. After that, downside up to -5, C -5. So C position is 5, -5. The coordinate of C is 5, -5. Then question number 3. Question number 3, the coordinate identified by the coordinate -3, -5. -3, -5, both negative, so it is in third quadrant. So -3, it is here, and -5 up to here, see E. So E denotes -5, The point identified by the coordinate -3, -5 is E. Then number 4, the point identified by the coordinate 2, -4. Positive, negative. Positive, negative is on the fourth quadrant. Positive, negative. 2 here, 1, 2, and -4 here, G. So number 4, the point identified by the coordinate 2, -4 is G. Then the abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means your x value. So D coordinate is your 6, and upper side your 2, 6, 2, x value 6. So abscissa of the point D is 6. Then the number 6, the ordinate of the point H. Ordinate means y value. H is your here in third quadrant, negative, negative. So negative -5, then downside your -3. So x value -5, y value -3. So the ordinate of the point H is -3, y value -3. Then number 7, the coordinate of the point L. Coordinate of the point L is your L. Where is L? L is there. It is on y-axis. So y-axis, I have just told, y-axis x value 0. So x value 0 and y value is 5. So 0, 5. 0, 5. And last question is the coordinate of the point M. Coordinate of the point, where is M? M is here on x-axis, and on x-axis y value 0 and x value is negative, -3, 0. The coordinate of the point M is -3, Now we'll start exercise 3.3. Question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis to each of the point this -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, 5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on a Cartesian plane. So we'll locate. Before that, how to observe the points in which quadrant we'll discuss. So observe the first point. First point is -2, 4. So x value negative, y value positive. X value negative means y value positive means you know it is in second quadrant, because second quadrant negative positive I have discussed only. So it is in second quadrant. Then next point 3, -1, x value positive, y value negative. So x value positive, y value negative, it is in fourth quadrant. X value positive, right side positive, downside negative. So it is in fourth quadrant. And next -1, 0, y value 0, x value -1. Y value 0 means what? It is on x-axis, ordinate 0. It is in so on x-axis, negative side of x-axis. Then 1, 2, positive, positive. So it is first quadrant. Then -3, -5, both are negative. So it is in third quadrant. So I have written this one. So this first quadrant, second, then second point is fourth quadrant, third point is negative side of x-axis, and this one is first quadrant 1, and this is in quadrant 3. I have written. You can write from here. Now how to plot? You observe this one. So first point is your what? First point -2, 4. So -2, 4, -2 left side. Then perpendicularly you go upper side on. First you draw the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane your x, O, x dash, and y, O, y dash. and at the center is 0, and right side positive 1 2 3 4 after 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, left side -1 -2 like that, upper side 1 2 3 4, and downside -1 -2 -3 -4 like that. The first point is -2, 4. -2 first to come on left side, then from origin, and then 4 on the upper side. So perpendicularly you take the scale and 4 centimeter on 2, and 4 centimeter you go to upside 1 2 3 4 like that. Then this is the position of -2, 4. Then next point is 3, -1. 3 positive right side and -1 downside. So it's in fourth quadrant. So 1 2 3 first you go, then take the scale perpendicular and come to the -1 downside. Then it is -1. 3, -1. This point is 3, -1. Then next point is your -1, 0. -1, 0 it is on x-axis because ordinate is 0. So -1, 0. This one. Then 1, 2. 1, 2 it is in first quadrant. So first you from origin come to 1. Then perpendicularly you go into 2. 1, 2. This is 1, 2 point. Next last point is -3, -5. It is in third quadrant. So -3 from origin you come to the left side. Then perpendicularly you come down. How many point come down you? So -5. That means 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is your -3, -5. Question number 2. Plot the point x, y like that. X value first, then y value, or abscissa and ordinate given in the following table on the plane, that is Cartesian plane, using suitable units of distance on the axis. So x, y value. First point is -2, 8. Second point -1, 7. Third point 0, -1.25. Fourth point 1, 3. Fifth point 3, -1. So like earlier, first we draw the two axes, x dash o x and y dash, and they perpendicularly intersect, and that plane is called Cartesian plane, and O is the origin. So on the right side, after 1 centimeter, we give 1 2 3 4 5 6. Left side -1 -2 -3 -4 like that. Upper side after 1 centimeter 1 2 3 4 like that, and downside also -1 -2 -3 -4. So in this way we first draw the Cartesian plane. After that we plot one by one point. So first point is -2, 8. X value negative, y value positive. So x value negative, y value positive, it is in second quadrant. So x value negative, -2, -2. So -2 you first to come to here, -2. After that you take out the scale and 8 centimeter you take perpendicularly. That means parallel to y axis. After that 8 centimeter you take like that. I have shown. So you will get here 1 up to 8, 7, 6 like that here. So this point is your -2, 8. -2, 8. Second point is -1, 7. This is also in second quadrant. X value -1, y value 7. So like that you come to the -1 point, -1. Then perpendicularly on x-axis, that is parallel to y-axis, you take the scale on 7. This is 7, and you come to 0. That is from 0 to 7. This is 7, and this point is your -1, 7. Then third point is your 0, -1.25. 0 means x value 0. That means no need to move. You stay here only. Then y value is -1.25. -1 is here on y-axis, and 0.25. That means 1/4 of the 1 unit. 1/4. That means you take 1 centimeter, 1/4. So this is half, and this is 1/4. So 1/4, this point is 1/4. So 0, -1.25. Then fourth point is your 1, 3. 1, 3 is in first quadrant. X value positive, y value positive. X value 1. This is 1, and y value 3. So like that previous cases, you take the scale in 3 centimeter you take, and come to the upper here. It is in 3. So 1, 3. Then last point is 3, -1. 3, -1, it is in fourth quadrant. X value 3 here, and y value -1. So on 3 you take the scale like that, parallel to y-axis. That means perpendicular to x-axis, and 1 is here. So this is 3, -1. So in this way you plot the points in different point you take, and you verify yourself.